Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Metal Ladybug Garden Direct decorations. These decorations they come four in a pack, big and small to real small, like a family. It's a family of ladybugs that you can put on your front of your yard or in your garden to decorate the place. You can hang them up because they have the hooks underneath that you can hang them on a nail if you choose to. But yeah, I like them, and it'll just make the place look unique and festive. So I recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.